So today we are launching the Rural Eastern Division 615-8911 emergency, non-emergency number, where individuals will be able to send us a message, send us their location, as well as having proper response and timely response at that in terms of responding to individuals' concerns and so forth. The problem we have been experiencing with the local lines, especially with the 911 call and the 911 call that we have and our regular phone lines, they are intertwined. So if you're calling the regular number and you're on 911, you're going to be getting a busy signal if someone is on the local number. And if you're on the local number, on the 911 call and you're calling the local number, you will get a busy tone as well.
We are issuing flyers as well in respect to this non-emergency number. And the flyer states, when to use the non-emergency number, if you want to report a crime issue that does not require immediate emergency response, if you or someone else are not in immediate danger, if you would like to contact the police regarding a concern or a question, if you want to provide information about a crime.
We're looking at expanding that to neighborhoods. We have since then also created 4 different neighborhood groups through WhatsApp communication, where we have been getting a lot of information and concerns from the public, especially with one of the group, see something, say something, stop something.
We have barcodes. We have barcodes at several business establishments, and we have a device that reads the barcodes. So what we do, the patrolling officer takes the device and scans all the areas where the codes are. Then we as commanders, we enter in our web-based program and check all the patrols as they go along.